So every sometime, holidays pass, and go time to the spring break. Now, past spring break. Whatever. Me and my cousin and I was procrastinating in our bedroom when I was supposed to clean, but I didn't really want to, and that was like summer and 2015 now. Woo! So, and we find out Dad's good for ham tonight. Cousin conservative. But decided to make a quick update video. Got tablet for Christmas, done using it. Tomorrow I get away from school. Not very happy about that. Because I don't purple stuff. But yeah, I get away from school tomorrow. And as long as I'm out of the dress code, I don't care. So I'm gonna do anything and it's gonna be just weird. But yeah, so got a lot of things for Christmas. My birthday was actually not too long ago. It was on the 31st of January. I was like holiday at my house. Yeah. Um, so currently, here actually in my shop room, I was watching a movie on this very lovely couch. On that very lovely TV, I paused it for a while, so you can't really see what movie I was watching, so it's been paused for a while. We've remodeled my kitchen. Finished now, I believe. And it looks something like that. And so, oh, we've also gotten puppies. Like puppies. Yeah, they're not around me right now. It can be kind of annoying. So, anyway, that is my update video. And let's decide this is a good choose from canned food. Yay! Bye everyone.